I know many of you have just started your MBBS journey and might be confused about which books to read. Don't worry, I will guide you to the different types of books that are used in the first year. Hey, I am Mehul Pratap Singh, a government medical student from ANMMCH Gaya. So let's get started. In the first year, we study three main subjects: anatomy, physiology, and biochemistry. There are three main types of books that you will come across. First, the gold standard books. These are the most detailed and conceptual books. They are considered the Bible for each subject, and the others often use them as a reference. Second, Indian author books. These books explain topics from an Indian perspective. They are easy to read and make concepts simple to understand. Third, the exam focused books. These books are helpful for passing exams. If you read them before exams, you will understand what's important and do well in your papers. So let's see the books of anatomy. This subject is about the structure of human body and how everything is arranged inside. Here are some recommended books. First one, the Gray's Anatomy. This is considered a gold standard book for anatomy. While it's great, I personally didn't read it and I don't recommend you unless you have a lot of time. The second book is the Chaurasia and A.K. This is a must read for every first year and it comes in 4 parts. First, the upper limb and thorax. Second, abdomen, pelvis and lower limb. Third, head and neck. And fourth, neuroanatomy. There is a small book on general anatomy to get you started. I relied on BDC and honestly you don't need much beyond this for your exam. The third book is Singh Anatomy. Some students prefer this over BDC. You can choose either one based on your preference. Both are student friendly and cover the same topic in easy ways. The fourth book is Human Histology by Singh. This book is great for understanding microscopic structures. I borrowed it from a senior and it really helped me. The fifth book is Embryology by Singh. Embryology is often overlooked but is very important. I didn't study it well and I got lot of questions from this in my examination. So don't make the same mistake that I did. The sixth book is Selective Anatomy. This book is excellent for last minute preparation before exams. Many of my friends used it and it helped them pass the exam. I personally used notes from Dr. Ashwini sir and I will talk more about him in another video. Let's come to the second subject of the first year, that is physiology. The subject explains how the body functions and how different systems work together. Here are the books that I recommend. The first book is the Genong's Review of Medical Physiology. This is the gold standard book for physiology. I personally do not recommend this book to you because the language is very hard to understand. The second book is Guyton and Hall Textbook of Medical Physiology. I didn't read much of it, but one of my friends said that it explains concept in a story-like way, which makes it easy to understand. The third book is A.K. Jain. This is a great book by an Indian author. It helped me a lot in understanding the subject better. The fourth book is Sembolingam. This is a concise book perfect for exam preparation, but it focuses more on passing the exam, so it's not ideal for building deep conceptual knowledge. The fifth book is Practical Lab Manual by Srivastav. This manual is highly recommended by teachers. It will help you with your practicals and lab exam. Let's come to the third subject of our first year, that is biochemistry. The two books, Lippincott and Harper, are considered the gold standard book for biochemistry. Personally, I haven't read these books and I bought Vasudevan's Biochemistry. It is an Indian author book. I found this book very useful. It simplifies complex topics and works well along with Dr. Jambulkar's sir's notes. The fourth book is Satyanarayan's Biochemistry. This book is good for exam. It is concise and I have used it with Dr. Jambulkar's sir's notes. So that's it for today. These are the books that are used in first year. One pro tip that I would like to share with you: before buying them, try reading the PDFs to see which one suits you best. Also do ask your seniors if they can lend you any of them. If you found this video helpful, like this, share with your MBBS friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.